Greetings everyone! Today I will show you how to create India in the Infinity Graph. So let us begin. Grab a earth and another earth, create a mountain. Now water it to create a lake. Now combine two lakes to get an ocean. Combine with earth to get an island. Combine two islands to get a continent. Now add mountain to it to get an Asia. Now take water and fire to create a steam. Combine steam and steam to get a cloud. Now water it to get the rain. Now combine them in monsoon. Now combine monsoon with Asia. And you're India. And that's it. I hope it helped. And I will see you later. Bye.